Places, Becky. Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're going to ride the Dragonflier here at Dollywood. We find this to be the most popular ride in the park, longest lines in the park. We're here, early bird, to get on it. Lines are forming behind us, and the park just opened, so there's always a line. There's really no time when there's not, so we'll bring you on board. This one, you may want to use that time saver, so we would recommend that. We'll get a feel for what this ride is all about. It's a family ride, super popular. They really just run one train, so it's like a slow load. So I think that's part of the issue. So we'll see how long it takes us to get on the ride from here. We'll let you know, and join us for the ride, and we'll see you after the ride for the review. Gates are closing. Okay, these are usually the most sugary of the bunch, but the park just opened. They're not too bad. I think I'm in it. Boy, you're in the breeze up here in the air, basically. Yeah. Yeah. She snuck me in. I'm not going anywhere. Could have wore longer shorts for this one.
Isn't this like Mystery Mine?
Oh, the Mystery Mine?
Yeah, similar to like the platform. What did they have?
I don't remember this tight between the legs on the Mystery Mine. You weren't in an individual capsulized seat. You're sitting side by side. Okay, Dragonflier. Hey, you don't have to be the last to clap. Clapping the whole ride, everybody. Let's go. Ah, good. I'm just gonna declare a victory. Oh lordy, it's bright. Woo! Oh, I have no idea what to expect here. What? Into a tunnel? Oh! Way better than expected! Oh! It's a nice one. Definitely get on it early. Oh! Oh, jeez. Don't have your chin down, kids, when that thing pops. The buckle's got to go all the way forward, like all the way forward. That flap's got to go all the way. Yeah, now you can jump out. Good luck doing that at 2. See, they can't. Come up.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Push down, pull up. Becky, you're going again. Woo! Woo! Nice. Wow, the Dragonflier. I mean, I underestimated this ride.
Yes,
I normally
too.
do not like this type of ride. If it has the warning labels, don't stick your feet out if you're tall. They're usually shaky. It's like your teeth.
Or like the rattle.
Oh boy,
rattle
or it's like a side to side. None of that on this ride. I mean, what'd you think?
It was a good little ride. That first drop was something into that tunnel there.
Oh,
At
yeah.
great speed the whole ride.
Oh, yeah.
That was pretty good.
So I gotta say, this park does have some really good indoor elements. You know, the mine, mystery mine ride does. I mean, they really go all out. I think we'll probably come back in the fall. Maybe we'll check that out. We haven't been here for the Halloween season, holiday season, so we might do that. This ride right here, you got to get in early bird or try to be like the last one on it at night, unless you're using the fast pass. Before the park opened, we were waiting in line, and there was already a line in both lanes before we got here, but it wasn't too bad. I'm gonna say like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Just under 30-minute wait line, which is short. So this is actually the most popular ride at this park as far as I'm concerned, because it has the longest line and the line's there all day.
Yeah, it's usually like 55 minutes or on up.
Yeah, it's because there's one train, and basically the fast pass takes half the train, and so it only loads so fast. But they were actually really fast at loading.
That one was, yeah.
So I got to give the staff A+ there. They got us in and out. Those seats are a little tricky. She got hung up at the end, but there's no way the attendant's gonna have to let a kid out by themselves. They're gonna need an assist, like, because I had to assist Becky, and she's in the gym as much as me, and
that was something. Well, because the seatbelt was still there, so like the whole lap bar popped up.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get the seatbelt undone in time, so then I was stuck back in it for a little bit, but.
All right.
All good.
All right. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. Please leave us a like if you like us, or subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.